Hey everyone! Welcome to our French language learning series where we turn tricky grammar into something super simple and useful for all levels. Today we are mastering the present imperative, so you can give clear directions like a local every single day in France. If you have ever felt stuck when giving directions or commands in French, this video is exactly what you need to feel confident now.
We use the imperative to give clear indications and directions in everyday situations across France. The imperative is always conjugated without any personal subject pronouns, such as tu, nous, or vous. Now that we know the basics, let us look at the 6 most common verbs and their easy imperative forms.
For the verb aller, meaning to go, we use va as in va tout droit, which means go straight ahead for to form. Va, tout, droit. For nous, we use allons, as in allons à la gare, which means let us go to the station. Allons à la gare. For vous, we use aller, as in aller à gauche, which means go to the left. Aller à gauche.
For continue, meaning to continue, we use continue, as in continue tout droit, which means continue straight ahead for to form. Continue, tout, droit. For nous, we use continuons, as in continuons jusqu'au café, which means let us continue to the café. Continuons jusqu'au café. For vous, we use continuer, as in continuer tout droit, which means continue straight ahead. Continuer, tout, droit.
For descendre, meaning to go down, we use descend, as in descend l'escalier, which means go down the stairs for to form. Descend l'escalier. For nous, we use descendons, as in descendons ici, which means let us go down here. Descendons ici. For vous, we use descendez, as in descendez au métro, which means go down to the metro. Descendez au métro.
For monter, meaning to go up, we use monter, as in monter les marches, which means go up the steps for to form. Monter les marches. For nous, we use montons, as in montons ensemble, which means let us go up together. Montons ensemble. For vous, we use monter, as in monter l'escalier, which means go up the stairs. Monter l'escalier.
For prendre, meaning to take, we use prend, as in prends la rue à droite, which means take the street on the right for to form. Prends la rue à droite. For nous, we use prenons, as in prenons le métro, which means let us take the metro. Prenons le métro. For vous, we use prenez, as in prenez à droite, which means take a right. Prenez à droite.
For tourner, meaning to turn, we use tourne, as in tourne à gauche, which means turn left for to form. Tourne à gauche. For nous, we use tournons, as in tournons ici, which means let us turn here. Tournons ici. For vous, we use tourner, as in tourner à droite, which means turn right. Tourner à droite.
Remember, the imperative always omits the subject pronouns, so every command sounds direct and completely natural.
Thanks so much for watching our French language learning series today and for taking this important step forward. Drop your favorite imperative sentence in the comments, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.